Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use two Snapchat accounts on one phone. Once your phone is able to use dual SIM, you will simply go into Settings. And from here, you want to scroll down until you see Advanced Features. Then you're going to tap on Dual Messenger. And right where you see Snapchat, you want to toggle that on. Then as you'll see here, install a second copy of Snapchat. You'll be able to sign in to another Snapchat account in the second copy of the app. You will simply tap on install, and after selecting install, you will realize that there are two rings beside the Snapchat icon, and you'll simply sign in to your second account, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to use two Snapchat accounts on one phone.